How are we all doing today? This is a recap, video for the referendum that is going on. Please, as you come in, please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Tell me how the voting has been. Have you voted? Okay. As you join me, please hit the like button. Share the video if you can. Share the video if you can. It is very, very necessary. Very, very important. Very, very important. So how is everything been? Did you find it difficult to vote? Did you find it difficult to cast your votes? Okay, let me pick this up. Oh, Biafra, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Master Biafra. Is that the name you gave me? That is a new name actually. Anyway, please, as you come hit the live button, I'm waiting for people to join so we can start properly. I just start the live, so we need to have some time to get it done properly. Okay, let's play this video for now. Oh my goodness. So, did you find it difficult to vote? What is your experience while voting? Was it easy for you to cast your vote, or have you not voted? If you have not, then what is holding you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is a guarantee. It's a guarantee. Did you find it difficult to cast your vote? What is your experience? What was your experience while voting? Or have you not voted? What is going on? This will flag my channel. I don't want it. Okay. This is. Okay. You will Biafra doesn't mean you have no votes. Doesn't mean you have no vote. This one you are silent. Are you one of those who are doing strong head to vote or what? Have you not voted? Because it is very, very clear. It is very, very clear that a lot of Biafran have come out to vote, and the target will be achieved in no distant time. That's my belief. That's my belief. How is the voting going on your end? How is it going on your end? The platform where you vote, was it easy for you to cast the vote? Are you having any difficult, voting? What is your experience? I would like to know. Do you have any question regarding the vote?
Nwanna ijikwa risiti gị ivotugo ijikwa risiti referendum gị Biafra self referendum jee weta ya ozugbo ozugbo maka ị ga-need ya in the nearest future. I am a Pan-Africanist. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and a free society which all persons will live together in harmony. And with equal opportunity, it is an ideal for which I hope to live for and to see realized. For that reason, our approach to Biafra freedom is multidimensional. It is not just hostility against Nigerian terrorist state, but we also have adopted a democratic process by embarking on self-referendum, which will be conducted through electronic voting. We understand the challenges of this approach, especially when our people in the rural area have no electricity and internet. We have ever expected to have a reasonable number of votes of Biafra extraction across the globe. The Biafra self-referendum will start on the 1st of February 2024, and there will be 3 stages to this self-referendum. Stage 3 will run through to our convention in Finland later this year.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. One of the most difficult things to do is to have something that you want to talk about, and the opportunity for you to discuss that is not given to you, or maybe you are shy based on your previous activities, like those who have been in DOS, and they vow not to support whatever Samanaba does. This Biafran referendum, talk about it, they want to support, but because of what they have said in the past and what they have done, they don't want to come out openly and say anything, because none of them have posted any negative things against it for today, and they have not posted any positive things against it as well. I believe that the time for everybody to come together and do the needful is now. So you must not agree with everybody, but since it is for the purpose of what you stand for, the best thing for you to do is to stand and do the needful, which I believe many are doing at the moment. Despite what you believe, what you want, and all that. So as the referendum is going on, people are reacting to that. This is a page from Niger Delta. The name of the newspaper is Niger Delta Today News You Can Trust. That's a platform. They have this news also about Biafran referendum, and they said Biafran Republic BRGIE announces commencement of self-referendum voting for Igbos. So they always want to use this. A struggle of a dying horse is always, to lay hands on anything to see if you can survive. They ended all the posts. Both daily newspaper have it also in their platform. They ended their post saying the referendum is for Igbos, and they just want to make other Biafran to feel less, Biafran, or should I say, they are not welcomed, or they're not part of it, which is not true. But the more they mock themselves, the more they expose themselves, because All these things that you see here is all about making you feel that you don't belong, or this Biafran is all about Igbo agenda and all that. That's what they're good at. But the truth is that it's not. It has nothing to do with it at all. It has nothing to do with it at all, at all, at all. So many people need to understand the fact that people don't like you does not mean that you have to go far, all out to attack or destroy yourself, which is some people call self-destruction. You cannot just because you don't like Simon Ekpa and you have this kind of idea or maybe believe about him, then you decided to sabotage yourself. It doesn't work that way. You are harming yourself actually. So this is what I noticed from DOS platforms. They don't, because normally they always come out to do one of kind gra. So sure they tried it before the date of this referendum, but at the moment they have seen the momentum and people are more even eager to vote than PM himself. So what are we talking about? What are we talking about? It is always good for you to know your boundary and stay clear. Stay very, very clear.
Simon Kedifo nwoke ahụ medere ụnụ nwoke a na-agbara onwe ya mbọ. That man wee great man ka m gwazie ya ụnụ enweghị ike imenwe ibe Simon ebe mere. Ụnụ enweghị ike imenwe ihe Simon ebe na-eme. Ndị jealousy na-eme ụnụ. Simon ebe nọ ka onye papa ya jebere obodo oyibo. Were kpọọ agbata obi esi ya na negidere m ịpụrụ ụmụ m negidere m ụmụ m anya na ama na ụmụ m wụ chaka bombs and chaka ngwaris. Adịghị m anụ obodo oyibo ahụ 5 years or 1 year or 2 or 6 months. Na ụmụ m a negidere m ha anya ụmụazị ụmụ akpa ntị ụnụ na-akpasasị everywhere. Simon ebe na-adụ nwanne try kene Simon ebe na ọ bụrụ na isiri ike. Try kene Simon ebe mana uno ana m agwa gị try kene Simon ebe ahụ mana uno. Try kene Simon ebe ahụ na ọ bụrụ na isiri ike try kene nwoke ahụ. Nwoke ahụ dị very great ka m gwazie gị. Nwoke ahụ dị great. Ejeghị m agwa gị the secret mgbacha apa agwa m ike ịgwa gị ihe m fụrụ maka ngwa gị ya ihe unu na-eme character assassination. And Simon ebe agaghị atụpụrụ ụlọ ọnụ. Nwanne ibe nwoke na-eme dị ya n'obi nwoke ahụ ịtara ya Simon bat God oyie gị egwu. Hapụkwa na ihe a na-eme nwoke nọcha ọgụ nwaanyị enwere akọ. Petara ya Simon ebe yie gị egwu. Unu akọzini nonsense ya unu na-akọ gaa nụ focus onye ọ chọrọ ịdị ka Simon ebe bịa franchise nwa Chineke o jego go suit go dị oche Simon ebe nazie dress ka Simon ebe. Nwanne ibe unu na-eme character assassination. Simon ebe anaghị ele ọgwụ. Ọ na-emechiri onwe ya ibe ike. Ọ nọ na system. Most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-ele ọgwụ. Most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-eme ihe nzuzo. Simon Ebadwagara onwe ya open on up.
Oh my goodness, these are brother is very, very funny actually. I saw this video, I decided to play because what he said here is actually the truth. Many people want to be like him. Many people want to, although that has been not only because of someone, not only on someone, but even Mas Namorgan. 99% of problem that Mas Namorgan had was people who want to be like him, people who sabotage or maybe who got involved in selling Mazina Monicano did that for them to get relevance. They did that to get relevance, and it's all about I want to be at top, I want to lead. Please hit the like button so that this video will bring other people out, because the essence of this video is the purpose of this video is for us to know how the voting is going on your area. If you have any challenges in voting, if you want to help anybody, this opportunity for you to ask any question concerning that, then I will help you on that to respond as possible as I can. If you have cast your vote, that is good. After casting your own, after voting, please help other people. Anyone who don't have any link, maybe you don't have the link, you are looking for the link, or you have any issue while trying to vote, or you have anything to comment about the voting, maybe the platform, anything you experience at all, drop it on the comment section and I will respond to you immediately. As the voting is going on, PM is updating the records, and not about he have not released the number of people that cast the vote. No, what he's doing is to tell you the people who are taking the space, who is like what I have here in my front from PM platform is that we are Ndi Omenana. We are Ndi Omenana. That is traditionalists who live in the land. That the number of Ndi Omenana are not much. There are 17% so far. Why Christians are 77%. 77% have voted and still counting. Then the people that are so far, as of 5 hours ago, Abia North, Abia South, these are first and second. Then Egede, is it Egede? Yes, Eyimba, Isi Obi and Obigwe. Abo, I think Abo is last here. People will still come out to vote. It's a matter of time. This is just the first day. This is just the first day of the voting. So people are still coming out. People will still come out as well to vote. It is very, very clear.
Simon. Kedi for muka medalono. Muka na bolo mayambo. That man we great man. Kangwazia yono.
Uchenna, are you in homeland? Where are you? Where are you residing? Because I was told that people in homeland, some people said that they may have to use BVN. IP, not BVN. IP, BVN for Nigerians. IP, Internet Protocol. So they have to change your IP changer. But I will send the link, so you give it a try at the moment, even while we are still live. So any challenge you're having there, you let me know. Then I will, let me bring the link. I will attach it here immediately.
Simon OMV and the jealousy never. Simon Banako, Papa, Jewel, Bodoiva. But a poor but obvious, and a Gadram with Polomo, and a Gadram woman, and no more check up bombs. And the Jacangwalis. A dear man over Bodoiva 5 years, or 1 year, or 2 or 6 months. No man, a Gadram Hanya. Umaze Umabante on Basas everywhere. Simon Ebana do the Great try can Simon Eban old Nishirika. Try can Simon Eban Manuno. And a map with the try can Simon Eba Manuno. Try can Simon Eba and old Nishirika. Try can Muka. Muka had a very great Kambazia. Muka had the great. I just have the secret, and we make it what I will make it what him for Macangua gay on a character assassination. And the same one that had to pull on. When you can make their no being, you try as I want about God or year game. Hapukani here and I'm working a job when I'm going to go. But try as I want it, but Simon be year game. Una cause nonsense ya na ko ganu focus wo onye wona chore de ka Simon ebe bia franchise de nwatine ke oje go suit go audio che Simon ebe nazie dress ka Simon ebe nwanne ibo nu na-eme character assassination. Simon ebe anaghị ele ọgwụ, ọ na-emechiri onwe ya ibe ike, ọ nọ na sistem. Most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-ele ọgwụ, most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-eme ihe nzuzo. Simon ebe dụwagara onwe ya open, ọ na
Okay, Uchenna Victor Monday. This is the link. Follow this link and put your email address. Okay, then follow the steps. Upload your picture. The last option, they will ask you if you are voting for referendum to be declared. Then you choose yes. People that don't want will say no. So choose yes, the last option. Then if you want to help maybe your friends to register, after registering your own, you have to log out the account. Otherwise, the platform will tell you have already responded, meaning that you have already voted your own. Until you sign out that email, your Gmail, put a fresh email address, another Gmail, then only you can be able to vote for someone. So, but if you try it, if you still having any issue, just drop your comments. I will respond to you. I'm still here.
Simon kidi for nwoke ahụ mere ụnụ nwoke a na-agbara onwe ya mbọ. That man wee great man ka m gwazie ya ụnụ enweghị ike imenwu ibe Simon ebe mere, ụnụ enweghị ike imenwu ihe Simon ebe na-eme. All envy and jealousy na-eme ụnụ. Simon ebe nọ ka onye papa ya jebere obodo oyibo were kpọọ agbata obi esi ya na negidere m ụmụ m anya na ama na ụmụ m wụ chaka bombs and chaka ngwaris. Adịghị m anụ obodo oyibo ahụ 5 years or 1 year or 2 or 6 months. Na ụmụ m negidere m ha anya ụmụ akpa ntị ụnụ na-akpasasị everywhere. Simon ebe na-adụ nwanne try kene Simon ebe na ọwụrụ na ishiri ike. Try kene Simon ebe mana uno ana m agwaga try kene Simon ebe ahụ mana uno. Try kene Simon ebe ahụ na ọwụrụ na ishiri ike. Try kene nwoke ahụ do very great ka m gwazie gị. Nwoke ahụ dị great. Ejeghị m agwaga the secret, enweghị m ike ịgwago mgbacha agwa.
This link is the voting link. Follow this link, you cast your vote. Very, very easy. And it is advisable that you help other people to vote. If you don't know how to vote, ask questions and people will direct you. Or you can also contact me. I will do my best to assist you.
Make him for a character assassination. And the Simon Ebag had to pull on. When you walk and make their no be Nuka, you try Simon Ebag to go to year game. Hapokwani here and Moka and a jog one and Mulako. We try Simon Ebag Simon Ebag year game. Una cousin nonsense ya na kogano focus wo onye wana chore de ka Simon ebe bia franchise de nwatine ke oje go suit go audio che Simon ebe nazie dress ka Simon ebe nwanne ipo unu na-eme character assassination. Simon ebe anaghị ele ọgwụ, ọ na-emechiri onwe ya ibe ike, ọ nọ na sistem. Most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-ele ọgwụ, most of unu na-akparị Simon ebe na-eme ihe ibe nzuzo. Simon ebe dụwagara onwe ya open, ọ na
Okay.
Nwanna ijikwa risiti gị, ivotugo, ijikwa risiti referendum gị, Biafra self referendum, jee weta ya ozugbo maka ị ga-need ya in the nearest future. Nwanna ijikwa risiti gị, ivotugo, ijikwa risiti referendum gị, Biafra self referendum, jee weta ya ozugbo maka ị ga-need ya in the nearest future. Nwanna ijikwa risiti gị, ivotugo, ijikwa risiti referendum gị.
I'm fully in support of IPOB pilot and the way they carry out their activities. No struggle for independence that is smooth. No struggle for independence or freedom that is a gentleman business. Go all over the world. It always be rugged.
Is Nigeria at war?
Nigeria is not at war. The South people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but in Biafra land the people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but in Middle Belt the people are dying. In Kaduna people are dying. And Nigeria is not in war. What is killing them? Is it a natural disaster killing them? What is killing them? Is it bad food is killing them? What is killing them? Is it Kwashoka?
There's insecurity, the activities of the IPOB and also ESL.
IPOB and ESL become insecurity.
The activities.
People that are fighting for themselves. People are fighting for their liberation. What of the bandits? What of the Fulani herdsmen? What are? And you are asking me whether are we in war? What will remain again? It's only one drone and fighter will be roaming in the air. It's only when we hear catch him. Before you know that we are at war. Eh? Is that how we know we are at war?
You said Biafra will be declared October this year in Finland.
Whatever possible for we to get our freedom, let it be. Whatever possible.
Whatever means.
Possible. Whether you declare it in Finland, whether you declare it in the moon, whether you declare it in the sun, whether you declare it in the Biafra land, all I know is Biafra freedom.
And we need to carry Ohanese and other people along in this Biafra struggle.
Who are the Ohanese? Who are those Ohanese in the Who are they? Ohanese. How will you carry your enemy along? Your enemy.
They're asking for the reason.
Okay, which one have it on Monday? Yes, no problem. I have sent it to you. Just follow the link. Then if you encounter any question, and I believe you will not have any problem with that because it's self-explanatory. Just put all the information that is required. Read it properly before so that you will not click wrong thing. It is always a stress question. I don't think it will confuse you at all. Like I said, if you want to help anybody, all you need to do is to, first of all, log out the email account on your device. If you use laptop or phone, remove that Gmail that you use while voting. Then put a new email address, a new Gmail. Then you try to log in from this link again. It will bring you to where you fill up another information of that your friends. And of course, they will send their picture to you, so you upload the picture as well. Choose state of your origin. If you are from Anambra, for example, you have many states there. You can choose anyone. Then you see an option to tap your community. You put the name of your village in that place. Like I said, it's self-explanatory. It's not something that will stress you at all, at all, at all. I don't think it will delay it. You don't even need to waste much time. That is why I wonder why people have not. We still have people who have access to internet and they still not want to vote, because here I ask some people, if you have voted, what is your experience? And nobody wants to say anything. So I assume that you did not say anything simply means because you have not voted. Go and vote. Go and vote. The link is here in the chat. And like I said, follow the link. You cast your own vote. It's very, very simple. No, but even if you don't want people to know that you vote, you can do it secretly, because the link is between you and your God. So you just follow the link and do the needful. Thank you.
Forget about we put down the guy where he is. Organize them will make this to be worst in their land. Okay, look at him there, what do? When he was the president general of Organization, he said, if Biafra and Nigeria will start a war now, he will talk to Bisabu. He said with his own mouth. He said with his own mouth. But he will talk to Bisabu against Biafras. He said, the open mouth and said, whosoever should touch the Fulani should first of all kill him before the bird touch Fulani. You know what they say so. And people like this ones, people.
Hey, I don't know what I'm going to say.
Therefore, to carry along in Biafra. Therefore, to carry along is something of Biafra. Then this one therefore to die totally. One therefore to die completely.
What is the grand plan? I don't understand. Why all this? It seems the Fulani tribe is the only tribe in Nigeria that enjoys going about to kill.
Because Constitution permitted them.
Exactly.
Constitution permitted.
Exactly.
Because in the Nigerian Constitution, it's only one section that have right to carry gun, which are the Fulanis. Which are the Fulanis? It's not the Constitution. That is why whenever you say change the Constitution, they tell you no. When they do something, they say Constitution and give them right. And they give them right. Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of suicide constitution. Abdul Salam, retired General Abdul Salam Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of what?
Now you come. Thank you, Jay. You said, yes, I have voted. It is a nice experience to vote, to participate in the democratic process of declaring the independence of Biafra. Very, very nice experience. My happiness is the way they build the platform. Once you open it, it won't waste time to load. I'm talking about my own experience. Then when you put the information, it's just at a click. Everything is done. Put your information, follow it, choose after they just minor question they ask there. I was thinking that it will be something that is very complicated. Maybe to load it will be hard, to upload the picture will be hard. No, but it was very, very easy. Despite all the how busy the site is, because people are throwing in there to vote, but the site is able to accommodate a huge number of people as well. It's a very, very nice experience. So just share the link to your friends, family and friends. Let them know that the importance of this vote. Let them know that you are not voting for Simon Ekpa. Let them know that you are not voting for Biafran government in exile to do this or that. You are actually voting for your own safety and your own freedom. You understand? Even if you think you are living fine, and what about your children? What about your children? What will be the outcome? Forget about the propaganda and the castigation that they are trying to belittle Simon Ekpa, PM, and Biafran government in exile, saying a lot of things. Like the guy that I played the voice note last, was it not yesterday? When you listen to that voice note, there was a place he made mention that he crafted this kind of these flyers. He drafted, the achievement of Biafran government in exile for the past year and all that. That he is the one that did all this. He is the one that have done this and done that. We are used to that kind of information. Why I'm highlighting that now is because I forgot to mention this on that video. Some people, each time they have problem with PM, then they will start telling you that I am the one that writes his speech. I am the one that gave him the idea. Because it is always like that. It was always like the guy that lives in Argentina, the one they call him Papejima. He was saying that that he is one behind the idea how to form ESN and everything that Mazda Kano did, that it was his idea. Many of them started claiming that they had one brain behind the activities of IPOB and all that. When Emeka Livingstone was showing his own power and strength, he said that he is the one writing every speech for PM. So the question is, after you have done those things and gone, did PM struggle to make any speech again? Did anybody notice changes in his speech to show that the way you put the grammar is no more using that method? So all this blackmail is very, very cheap. It is cheap and easy to do. And the most difficult job is to maintain that kind of lies. To maintain such lie is one of the most difficult jobs. Once you tell one lie, you have to build up multiple lies to protect the first lie that you have told. So that is nature. Please, we need to vote. Everybody need to vote. Anyone who is telling you not to vote is not doing you well. The person, you need to consider that person as an enemy.
It's a constitution of what? Genocide constitution. It's a constitution of squad killing. It's a constitution of non-democracy.
How will the constitution support people going about killing other persons? How?
Now, go and bring the paper of constitution. Go and purchase one of the constitution.
I know that there's Sharia law. There's no constitution that says that you must kill.
Okay, Sharia law. Once the Sharia law exists, what we say we are secular state. The Sharia law permit them to do what they're doing because they're defending their religion.
Okay, last week, what is your message to Biafra?
My message to Biafra is we should stand firmly. We should focus. I mean, not Biafra, the real Biafras.
No. Let's have.
Okay, Jay says very easy and simple. It meets all international standard. Yes, it does. I have shared the link to families and friends. God bless you. God bless you. You have done well. I must say it again. It is a good one. A wonderful nostalgic experience. Yeah, this your grammar will enter. I really love that. The issue is that people who don't know the importance of this referendum are yet to know it. You may not understand it now, but you will soon know that. And other people wish they have someone who drive them to this kind of experience that we are having now. In fact, it's a thing of joy. Once I click on that link, I saw the way the platform is built and the protection they put there and everything. This is not how would I put it? It's not something that you will say, okay, I am putting my life in danger or something like that. It's not all that difficult to do. You can, even in your quiet place, without telling anybody you have voted, you just do it peacefully and quietly. You are doing it for yourself. So not for PM, not for Mazda Madagan. It will help to reduce Mazda Madagan, I know. But the essence of it is for your own safety. Without it, nobody will listen to you. Nobody will think that you people are serious. And we are the one who receiving every hit. Every problem that comes in Nigeria will first pass through Igbo before any other people. Before any other people. If you talk about police brutality, the first people that are victimized are Igbos, because they are the one in the market, moving from one place to another to do the transaction and businesses. So on that process, you are meant to jam police on the way. They are with a roadblock and all that. You talk about political opportunities. The people that received the lower rank of political opportunity in the system, in Nigerian system of government, are Igbos. You talk about development. None of the federal development, or should I say, any diplomatic office, how many of them do we have in Southeast? None. You talk about road, which falls into development. All these things are something that will make you to start reasoning and think, and why must you be different? What is the contribution of? I'm not trying to be, place ethnic problem or anything. No, I just want to set the record straight. What is the contribution of Yorubas and Northerners in Nigerian growth that an Igbo man cannot afford, that made them to be deprived of all this kind of thing that I'm talking about? If you talk about Yoruba land, they said we are three major ethnic groups: Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Now, Yorubas have Lagos, well built, not to the world standard, but to compare what you have in the Southeast. They have Lagos, and 90% of development in Lagos did not come from Yorubas. It did not come from Yoruba land. It did not come from Yoruba business people. No. First is from federal government, which their resource based from Eastern region, followed by economic empowerment and the development, commerce of Igbo people. They put in Lagos because they made Lagos to look like your only hope as a businessman. That is why you see someone who will send their children, a man will send his children to go and learn market with one of the businessmen who happen to be Igbo also. The boy and the person who learning the business is from Igbo. The owner of the business is from Igbo. And they are doing all those things in another man's land. Simple because the man have to do the business in Lagos, because the border and the only way to import goods and services from Lagos. You cannot do that kind of business in East, because there's no ship, there's no custom, or should I say shipping line, or whatever they call it. No importation, because you have to use Lagos as only means of importation, or else you have to use air cargo, which is more expensive. So as a businessman, you would like to move your shops to those areas where you can easily buy your product. Once you arrive, you can move it straight to your shop and start selling. And they made Lagos to look like the only way and the only place to do business. And due to fear of what our people went through during the Biafran War, they succumb and accept. They accept to live their life like that, doing everything to make sure that they please everybody, to please the government, even to sabotage themselves and their brother, to make sure that Nigeria become one, and to prove, because Igbos are always constantly proving to Nigerians that we are here to stay in the country. That is what lead to all this nonsense that we are seeing today. Because they build everything for you to always prove yourself. You want to be local government chairman, prove yourself. Do you want to join a political party? Prove yourself. But they themselves, they don't prove anything. They keep on committing this and that. At the end of it all, the first person to be examined is you. The first person to be examined is you. And people who are supposed to know this turn their eyes on it, and they couldn't do anything. Are the women in Nigeria beautiful? Hello, sir. I love your channel. Thank you. Please, what do you mean by women in Nigeria are talking about beauty here? Please educate me on that. What do you mean by are women in Nigeria beautiful? Are we here discussing about beautiful or handsomeness? We are talking about our referendum and voting. That is what is going on. I don't know if you're Nigerian or not. Anyway, we need to understand what Igbos are going through, what Biafrans in general are going through. And those of you who say that you are no, this is Nigerian is against Igbo, not against me, because I have my own language. What referendum? Please, where are you from? Where are you from, please? Where are you from, please? Where are you from? I don't know. Tell me, where are you from? Are you a Biafran? I am not caught up. Okay, where are you from? Where are you watching from? Laos. Okay, you are in Asia. You are in Asia. Okay, we are. Have you heard about Biafran before? Have you heard about Biafran? Biafra. Have you heard about it before? Is it the first time you are hearing the word Biafra? Okay, Lagos. I thought I mistakenly said Laos. I thought you are in Lagos, Nigeria. You are in Lagos and you have not heard about Biafra before. Are you for real? You said you are in Lagos. You are in Lagos, Nigeria. You are in Lagos, right? You are in Lagos, Nigeria, right? Are you in Lagos, Nigeria? Yes or no? My mother does not allow me to watch or to watch news. Are you in Lagos, Nigeria? If yes, just answer me. Are you in Lagos, Nigeria? Yes, in Lagos. Okay. What tribe are you? Are you Yoruba, Igbo, or Hausa? Yes, Lagos. So you are from Yoruba, or you are Igbo, or you are Fulani, or you don't know about this. You don't know about Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. You don't know about it. You only know Nigeria, and you are 17 years old. Kanuri. Okay. So is Kanuri Hausa or Yoruba or Fulani? Because if you don't know these things, you are not supposed to be here talking about beautiful women. These are things you need to know before measuring beauty. So you don't know where you come from. You don't know if you are Hausa or Fulani. You only know you are Kanuri. So you should know your tribe. You should know your tribe. You know if you are yes, you are Kanuri. Kanuri is a part of Fulani or Hausa or Yoruba. That's what you need to know this first. Before talking and telling me, your question here is Nigerian women beautiful? So somebody who told you about Nigerian should also tell you the component of Nigeria. You don't know the component of Nigeria, and you only know that you are Nigerian. What is the language of Nigerians? What language does Nigerians speak? You should know the component that made up Nigeria first. Then you know where you fall. You know the part of Nigeria that you belong. You don't say Kanuri. We are from Borno State. Okay, you are from Borno State. So have you heard about Igbo people before and Yoruba people? That is all my mother told me. And at 17 years, you only know this. My goodness. Okay. I will recommend something to you. That's what is called Google. So go to Google and check component of Nigeria. Read more about that Nigerian that you said you come from. Then know the history of Nigeria. Okay. Then after that, search Biafra. Read about Biafra, the history of Biafrans. So read it, and probably you check Yoruba as well. That is how to know what is happening. Don't just base your knowledge on what your mother said. Okay, I think I'm done with you for now. So, like I was saying, Igbos are on the receiving side of the whole thing. All this thing you are hearing today and you are seeing today comes from the problems from Nigeria civil war. The origin of the problem of Igbos started from creation of the system Nigeria, of which Ojukwu foresee and asked for confederation, which is today they nicknamed that to referendum. Sorry, not referendum. They nicknamed it to restructure. Yeah, restructure. So it was that confederation that Ojukwu was talking about that led to Biafran Civil War. And that thing is what everybody is coming back today to discuss about, begging Nigerian government to do the needful to restructure, of which they will not accept, because the reason why they refused Aburi Accord with Ojukwu and the Gowon was because they find it difficult to know that for them, they say that they will not benefit, because one thing with black people is that once they did not, once things are not favoring them like the way they want, maybe 100%, they prefer to even go against, to step on your toe and to do all manner of nonsense to hurt you. You understand? So that is it. That is it. I just want you to understand the whole thing. I just want you to understand it, because many people don't know where we come from and where we're going to. All those nonsense that you are seeing today is all about the problem that Igbo man allowed themselves to fall into, because not because of the war, but because you always want to prove yourself that you are more Nigerian than others. And that is why whatever you want to do, the first thing that goes to their mind is prove yourself, because they know, of course, you have to prove yourself. Okay, that is it. I am not going to waste much time in this live stream, but the link has been shared. Follow the link and cast your votes. Cast your votes. It is the only thing that you can do to yourself, and learn how to teach other people as well. So that is all I have for you at the moment. Tomorrow we will be live again to update and share information about the event that occurred, because a lot of things is coming out. We have to follow it the way they're coming.
For opening the floor. And Dr. Diana, all the ministers in America, both North and South, and others that have joined us from other parts of the world. Without wasting time, let's go straight to the
Okay, PM is live. PM is live. They're having an emergency meeting. Emergency town hall meeting. So I will allow it to play. If you want to listen to the meeting,
just seeing only few people.
this is an opportunity for you to
and our executive are part of it.
follow it. Follow it up here.
And
Thank you.
That questions will always wake up for them to raise their hands.
All right.
Mazi Okole Nwadioka, unmute yourself, please. You have the mic.
Good evening, Honorable Prime Minister, and good evening, Referendum.
Okole, this is America town meeting.
I know that I want to do something now. Prime Minister.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir. I'm not supposed to be here because the money will be too much. I don't have too much money. Please, Prime Minister, I don't have too much money. I want to, what you have done for us and what you have been doing. I don't have too much money, and at any place you come, I must come here. Prime Minister, I will give 50 for this your speech event. It's too small, but I will give $50 today. This speech is not too small, but thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Europe is supporting America. That's interesting. All right.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, everyone can open their camera now. If you came in when the camera was shut down, you can open your camera now. Open it now.
Please, Ada Zion. Please, Dr. Ruby, can you take record, please?
Is Dada here? That minister, is she here?
Attorney General, you can do that as well, right?
Attorney, is that copy? Okay, I can see Dada. I can see Dada. Okay, you may propose Dada so that if she wants to get some clarification. Okay, the cameras are open to
Okay,
anyone.
can she raise her hand?
Dada, please raise your hand. Okay, BRGIE New York. Unmute yourself, it's your turn.
There were no more Biafra. My sister from Diana with Taraji. Osaji, Achimdo Saji, dear, Mimi, dear, and I'm Mimila Fofo. But I age him $100. Kunye PM Mini, Ogiji Lofe, one maybe.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So no questions? All right, just be stoning. No problem. Thank you. Reverend Dr. Peace. Reverend Dr. Peace Bar. Meet yourself.
Thank you for meeting.
Yeah, there were. Okay. And here, Bastara, agha anyị na-alụ maka Biafra. Always looking at there, anọ m n'ụzọ ile anya yitere gbara ebe m nọ. I had to pull over in a resting place in order to queue in because I just got information about this sudden meeting by Wada Oloma of the Central Jersey. So, Nyawana Noru, Makwani Asagama, Abatawo, Ka Nochite, Amamun Joso, Sina Jersey, Kando Chitanyani, over here. Well, Ngabani Sabale will lodge. By Marana, Wagatato, Obaho Emi Fuya, until Obacha High Karaki Rua. Then I gave Kosigi High, the Burundi, Jersey, Mawundi, USA. I get Gossi, Mana Jum Chorijo, Yova China Kemena Mana, Ntulia Kelia Malita
tata na-agbakwana mbọ anyị na-agba mbọ na-eme ka ọwụ ihe agwala m our admin here sị ka mara ma ọ dị possible inwe like a town hall invite all the Biafrans ma ndị kwerenụ ma ndị na-ekweghị like etu a na-enwe either conference. We can rent a hall. We can invite many people, as many as we can possibly bring together, and then in a hall like this to problems and to state the facts, so that majority now what is going on. I can tell you now that there are many of them that don't even know what is going on, especially here in the diaspora. They get idea what is IPOB issue.
Okay, Jay, this is PM is having meeting with the United States.
Nazareth.
So they have an emergency meeting in Zoom. So this is American emergency town hall meeting with PM. It's happening right now. It's an emergency. So the announcement was not out before. So I stumbled on the platform and I saw that they are live. I decided to play it live while we are here. I just wanted to air the stream. Then I noticed that they are emergency meeting. I said, okay, let me stream it a little while before I end it.
And also to talk about, sponsorship. Because in your whole I call people to sponsor things openly like that will have some level of legal backing. So actually, I never had an email or we have because it's by the grace of God, I am ready and willing to go out of my way. I know guys in very many organizations over here, even on the global level and all that. When I'm on here, on stage here, conference or stage here, get together, invite people from different denominations and different churches as far as they are Biafrans in order to stay. Even the day I'll game both our North and Southern American representative, if she can't come in person, she can be on video. You yourself also can be on video. Is this something possible?
Yes, it is possible. And we have our head office in Baltimore, and we have gathered in Baltimore during the opening of the office. So it is legal and have legal backing, and therefore the same gathering can also happen can be organized in the head office of the Biafra government in exile in Baltimore, Maryland. Yes. So it is something that can be organized, and from tonight we can appoint. We have already the radical group, and I just read the comment now. We have radical group who took part in the organizing of the opening of the Biafra head office in Baltimore. So if the United States decide that yes, we need to have this, it is approved. We can start organizing it from tonight, because the level we are now in the liberation phase of the Biafra is not something that we say tomorrow. Everything that is going to work, I'm going to bring something to the table to make this liberation as successful as possible. We start it immediately, not tomorrow. So this is your suggestion, especially on the fact that mentioned that the rep or American rep can attend visually. Myself can attend visually. It is approved 100%.
Just on he is the minister over there representing Biafra, or like our sister that is the Minister for Foreign Affairs, can also throw more light into it, that we can, how do I put it, in New Jersey or New York, for instance, if we are doing something like that, we are doing it under the umbrella of the Biafran government in exile in Maryland, being the mother or the headquarter for this, so that if anybody will say, by what authority, oh, we belong to this. So with that, we can aggressively hit from state to state. Because if we are to talk about only Maryland, it would not be so possible to get to Maryland, everyone, but state by state, even zone by zone. I believe that would help us.
Yeah, of course, state by state, and we have in each state at least about 16 states of the 16 United States of America. We have or more than 16 states. We have representatives in those states. So we have the liaison and the admins of the Biafra government in exile in over 20 states at this point. So that is possible. And like I said, I am approving that tonight. So the Americans can go ahead and start organizing this. The Minister of Finance, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the North and South American rep, you people, have the mandate to make this happen. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Able B, unmute yourself. Able B, unmute yourself. You have the mic.
Honorable Prime Minister, welcome to
Greetings.
Welcome to yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can I turn on my video?
Yes.
Okay. Video is not coming on. Okay. There you go. I wouldn't do. And you lost saying Ukwechela kumbatabia huko. Haburuna Giana Gishino Kulega. You are to one you get that charge. That's the one. Anyway. Everybody want you with the lodge. Why he get you with it? Well, the sake of, for the benefit of our non-Igbo speaking brethren, what I was saying in Igbo dialects was that if not for the fact that these days, when they are boiling yam, it starts cooking from the top, not from the bottom. Ordinarily, it should cook from the bottom. So, woman should not be the one to present Tola in Igbo tradition. So, our man are able.
Wait, hold on.
Finance minister. So anyway, Bachinta Achalo, Urage. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sunny, please, can I?
Okay, guys, I will end the stream here. I will end the stream here because we were not, prepared for this to stream this American meeting. I would have ended the video and start again, but because I have told you people that I will end it, I said, okay, let me play it for a while. But if you still want me to continue playing it, you can put on comment section, then I will leave it on. I will wait for just 1 minute to see if you. I'll wait for 2 minutes to hear from you. If I did not hear anybody who said that you're still interested, if I did not hear anybody that said that they're still interested on, listening to the meeting, I will end the stream. But please, we have 19 people here watching the video, but only 9 people have give the video a thumbs up. Please, I encourage you to do so. Like the video. It is very, very important. Thank you. 2 minutes to hear from you if you want this stream to end
Record
or
for us, please. Thanks.
continue playing.
So,
Maybe you are still interested in listening, to listen the
United States.
what they're saying in the town hall meeting they're having in the US with the PM. Just let me know.
As no phone na akuna line. EG, Kado, our able Prime Minister and our able Finance Minister and acting rep. EG mo bere maya hango. Na ihe ji na study $600. Now support here.
Thank you.
Musigi,
And I could want to ever.
Thank you.
Musigi, look at this. Then I can I'm deceiving you.
Finance Minister and Sister Evangelist Stacy.
If there's anything,
Yeah.
anything,
And Sister Evangelist Stacy is supporting us with $100.
is what we are going to.
Okay. Please, somebody is still talking, please.
I was one of those that saw it from the beginning to the end in the 60s. And it's most unfortunate. It's most unfortunate that some of us are lily-livered. Lily-livered in the sense that when the war first broke out, they said they were having police action. Just like
you are in India and you are saving money in Naira. Why? Why are you? Don't you have bank in India? Why are you using Naira instead of your currency? Since when did Indian people started using Naira?
in terms of preparation, we never had it. That our people will go to the front. Just mistake that we use in training. Hoping that if any of our people go down, you pick up from where you stop and continue. If you get the enemy down, you continue. Then you are armed. And that was how we were able to hold them down until they deployed those of us that had technical background into research and production to make our own weapons. For people to, I saw when you were in the space of one lousy guy the other day, they were trying to insult your person. I didn't find it funny. I only had relief when you just walked out of the space. So it's just that I thank God
Okay, guys, the time is up. I have to end the stream because nobody said they want the stream to continue, like to play the meeting that is going on in the US. Since I did not hear from you, I will end the live stream. And please don't forget to like the video, comment, and share. Tell me what you think about what all I have said so far in the comment section. I look forward to talk to you again, hopefully tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. Okay, sir, you can log out. Thank you for your patriotism. Good night, sir. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful night as well. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Thank you very much.